Cryptocurrency has had a lot of volatility recently with some of the largest downturns in short periods of time that it's seen in a long time. And it prompted me to make this video about why I believe that real estate is a better vehicle for investment than crypto. Now, if you look at some coins, they're great. Bitcoin, consistent. It can have great periods of time. It can have bad periods of time. Historically, it's performed very well. But there's a lot of volatility in crypto. Crypto is a very fast-moving market that data, news, and information can have a major impact on. Real estate is a very slow-moving market, more consistent over time. The idea of crypto can be seen as gambling for some people. Real estate, especially if you're investing for the long term or rental properties, not exactly as much of a gamble or a risk. Real estate, you also get to write off and personally improve properties if you invest in them the right way. So if you put in sweat equity or paint the room or make improvements to the home, or you happen to get use out of it, you get a benefit. Whereas crypto just kind of sits in the cloud, and unless you're mining Bitcoin and have a data center somewhere, which you probably don't, you're not likely to improve your assets. So for those reasons, I think real estate is an incredible vehicle right now for investment. You have better leverage opportunities too. Crypto is harder to leverage, harder to get loans against. There are some organizations that are starting to do it for stable coins. Some of the more risky coins with more upside, it's harder to do. So I think that cryptocurrency is a great vehicle for wealth accumulation and certainly something you should have in your portfolio. But if you're comparing crypto to real estate, I don't think it's comparable at all.